It's a little bit too late to take care of me.
So y'all know we got this understanding with each other that I hate body wave hair. Y'all know I do. Y'all know. But when I say this company might have changed my mind, like I literally mean that. And like this is some gorgeous, gorgeous hair. It comes about to like my boob. It's super, super duper. Like the density is gorgeous. Hopefully you guys can see, but we're working in a little area over here. But anyways, this is from Cynosure Hair, and first of all, I want to thank the company for being super duper patient with me. You guys know I've been saying in a lot of videos that, you know, I've been backed up with hair reviews. So I do want to thank Cynosure for being patient with me. They were consistent on trying to contact me and stuff like that, but they weren't like, do this video or else, you know. So I do appreciate their customer service, and I do appreciate the people I work with. So anyways, this hair review is long overdue. This is some Brazilian body wave, and it's only 3 bundles, and it's super duper full, and it's 16, 18, and 20 inches. Also, I want to thank them for going out of their way to send me a closure, because at first they just sent me 3 bundles, and I was like, you know, I'm fully natural and I wear full units, you know, so I would need a closure. They sent the closure ASAP. It was no, you know, probably like 2-3 days of closure came. So I do thank them for that. Yeah. So it came inside this package right here. This pink package, it just says fashion on it. Each bundle was individually hair netted, so I had a net on each bundle, and then the closure was in a separate envelope, just looks like this. So because they did send it separately, they also sent a pair of lashes, and they just look like that, which they kind of look like really good. They look like natural, so I might have to, you know, plop them on one day. Yeah, I like when companies send good lashes. Like sometimes companies send like real dramatic lashes, and I'm like, y'all know I ain't gonna wear them. But anyways, love their packaging. Originally with this hair, I actually forgot what the lengths were. I thought it was gonna be like some shorter length, so I was just gonna cut it into a bob, but I actually like it like this. I'm coming up with a wig sale soon, so I'm making a lot of units, and I really only need like 2 good straight units, 2 good curly or wavy units, and then like, you know, maybe a little something else. But I really don't need all of these wigs that I've been making lately. So yeah, one thing I do want to mention is their closure. I didn't like bleach it. I didn't put foundation or concealer or anything on it, but this is what it looks like, just basically straight out the package. Was it already plucked into a part? I believe it was already a middle part closure. So yeah, it just looks like that. And if I pull it all the way up, it looks kind of funny. So anyways, on these edges right here, you can just use like Sharpie marker, or you can use a mascara, eyeliner, whatever you want to use to make it black, so that you won't have like, so that you won't have a line like you see the line on here. But as I said, this is like basically an uncustomized unit. Shedding was very minimal, and I usually don't like body wave just because it doesn't have like oomph, but this hair really has like some oomph to it. Usually some body wave like is flat, especially after you co-wash it. Oh my gosh, I just literally used to hate body wave, but this is some really good body wave hair. I like the volume in it. I like it has oomph to it. It's really pretty. It has a great luster. It's a natural. The density is not so natural, but the shine is really natural, and the closure is really natural. So I really appreciate that. What else did I want to mention? As I said, it has no smell, no tangling. Honestly, like when I was home this weekend and I was making all of these units, I just was like, all of this is some really good hair. Like, you know, I didn't have any bad experiences. The one I'm in the middle of right now, the hair is okay, but we're not here to talk about that right now. But for the most part, a lot of the units that I was making, the hair has been beautiful. And this company just topped it all off. Because like I said, y'all know, I can't stand no body wave hair. But this is super duper pretty. Like, really, really pretty. Again, this is Brazilian. A lot of companies like to send Brazilian body wave all the time. Like, if you are a person who review hair or you make wigs or whatever the case may be, they love to send body wave hair. They love to send Brazilian. A lot of people ask the difference between Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, all of that. I just feel like there might be a slight difference. I'm not sure. A lot of the hair I work with, the color is a natural brown, so it's like really dark, like a 1B or 2-ish. And then the hair has like some of the hair, okay, motorcycle. Okay, a lot of the hair that I work with, you might see strands of gray or like a blondish color from time to time because it is virgin hair, so it's supposed to be unprocessed, okay? So, I don't really see a difference in the companies, or not the companies, but like the Malaysian, Peruvian, Brazilian, and all of that. But for the most part, this Brazilian hair is really pretty, and a lot of people like to say Brazilian is like the bottom feeder, like nobody wants Brazilian anymore. It's not exotic enough. It's not, you know, everybody got Brazilian and everybody call everything Brazilian, you know. But I feel like it just depends on your vendor and your donors and stuff like that. So yeah, I really love this hair. Like, I really love it, and I'm about to definitely wear this. I'm not sure if this is going to be the next wig I wear or the next wig I wear because I do like plan out my wigs, and then I do plan out my outfits accordingly, okay? Some people think I'm crazy because I like to match my wigs with my outfits, you know, but I'm not going to wear a green wig and a purple outfit looking like Barney, alright? So I've been doing a lot of black lately, so a lot of these reviews might kind of, like, you might think they running into each other, like they all saying the same thing. And I'm sorry if people feel that way, but, you know, if the hair is good, I'm going to say it's good. If it doesn't tangle, I'm going to say it doesn't tangle. If it doesn't stink, I'm going to say it doesn't stink. But the thing is, it kind of all looks, you know, I'm in a lot of black hair lately, or, you know, 1B natural hair or so. I want to get back into coloring, but like I said, being backed up, I really don't have time to bleach and color and do all that good stuff. But I'm trying to do like this cotton candy pink. I'm trying to do silver, but I wanted to do silver during the winter. But out here in North Carolina, it's like 70 degrees today. So our winter has gone, and the weather wants to go up and down. So I don't even know if I'm going to pull out the silver this year. Don't know. So anyways, yeah, this is some bomb hair. This is the third time I said it. I don't like Brazilian. I don't like Brazilian body wave. I don't like body wave from anybody. You know, I don't like Peruvian, Malaysian body wave. I don't like body wave, period. But this is some really good body wave, okay? This kind of reminds me of a loose waves, because, like, sometimes body wave can be like, you know, like blah, like that. And I don't like that. But this has body, and it's voluminous, and it's shiny, and it just looks like it's full of life. So, again, thank you guys for joining. I have like 3-4 more videos to shoot of hair reviews, so you're gonna see me looking like this a few times, and these videos all might come Valentine's Day week. I know a lot of people don't tune into the hair videos, but I'm still gonna do them because I know some people do tune in, and some people, you know, might end up looking for a review on this company one day. And like I said in another video, I think it was a pillow talk I did, I don't know if I posted it yet, but I was saying that no matter if I get 2 views on a hair review and 10,000 on a clothing review, I'm still going to put up the hair review because those 2 people wanted to see it. You understand? I feel like a lot of YouTubers feel like, oh, we put so much effort into a video and you don't get no views on it. And that's fine, because people are on your channel for a different reason. Not everybody wants to see your makeup. Not everybody wants to see your wigs. Not everybody wants to see your natural hair tutorials, and not everybody wants to see a haul. You know, people subscribe to me for hair reviews, and some people subscribe to me for hauls. So it really just depends, and I'm still gonna do everything that I've been doing plus more. And whether you know, people want to watch it or tune in or not. I know it's still going to be a few people who do want to see, you know, about the hair and stuff like that. So again, thank you guys for joining. I give this company an A+ for sure. No problems with the hair whatsoever. Closure is bomb. One of the best closures that I've come across. It's not too light. It's like basically transparent, the closure. So I really like that because it just blends in. I'm not even wearing a stocking cap under the hair. So yeah. Thank you guys again for joining.